Hi YouTube. I want to share something on the ramp. And if your ramp, you're not sure is sturdy enough, spray some of this to it. That will help. See, like this right here, opposite side. This one right here is hollow, a lot of hollow, and you only have this much, to support in the middle. It's not like this one right here. This one can handle a lot of weight because it have a lot of support in the center. This one, it doesn't, because it's only have this. And if you put 6 ton or anything like, over 3-4 ton on it, it may expand it. Not like this right here, because this one it holding by all of this, so it doesn't span, and it hold more than this right here, because this does not connect it, so it doesn't holding pretty good. So I spray this foam on it, so the foam can bond this to not have any expanding when you load it heavy on it. So this just because you bought it a mistake and it doesn't holding a lot of loaded, then you buy this from any hardware store like Lowe's or Home Depot. They sell this. This is the cheapest one I can get. It's about $4, $5, per bottle. And I sprayed about 3 bottles in there. So right now still expanding, because the reason it's not full yet, because it's still expanding. You spray a little bit on it and it will expand all the way. So when it got hard already, then you spray a second layer to it, so that way you don't have to use a lot of this. Because if you don't do that, then while the foam still expanding and you already have another layer on it, so that way you use a lot of foam. So you leave it until maximum expanded, then you spray another layer on it, so that way you use less foam, and that will bond better. But if you spray a lot without waiting on it, the time that they set on, it actually hold better, but you waste a lot of bottle. And one bottle is about $4 or $5, and then you spray 4 or 5 bottles, it costs another $20 on it. So that's, you waste a lot of foam. But you wait until maximum expanded, and then you spray another layer to it, and then that will hold almost the same, but you use less foam. So this one right here just left over from this side, so that's why I'm using right here. And that will help bond this better. Than I'm thinking about spray on this one too, because this one is if I spray on it, actually it will hold more. But I think this one I put into those 3 ton what do you call the F350 or GMC 3500. I load it with this right here, and it hold pretty good. It doesn't span anything like that. But this right here, I put on a Tundra, I can see the expand a little bit. That's why I spray this on it, so to help this one stable. The one reason, because I think this wider too than that one right here. And not just that, but because they don't have the like this to support it, so that's why I'm using foam to bond it to support better that way. Okay, all right, thank you for watching. And I just want to share with you guys that this can help your safety on the ramp that you're using daily. A little bit money, but that save your life and save your you know, ramp better. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.